Hello, in this video we will see how to do the parameterization to a test method. So for that I have created a test method and you can see. So inside this test method what I am doing here, I am assigning integer a value with 10, integer b value with 20 and I am doing doing addition of a plus b and I am storing that value to c. Basically I want to put a exceptions and I will say as a dot r equal. And here I will give my expected result, which is 20 plus 10 is 30, and I will assign with the actual value is a 6. Okay, so this is a very pretty straightforward test case where I am doing the addition of a plus b and I am doing the assertions here. Now if you run this, it will run it and it will pass the result. But if you see here, I have output the value of a and b. Now, if my intention is to execute this test method with different set of data, it will not work because always it will going to do the addition with 20 plus 10 and it will do the validation with 30. So very much those 10, 20 and 30 are the hard-coded value. Now, if I want to do the parameterization, okay, so I have to define integer a here, integer e, and I will say integer r. Yes, that means from a it will, I'll remove this one. Now it's not required. Now from a, whatever value I'll pass on it, it will go and sit over here, and from b it will come from this, and the my expected result now I'll replace this variable. Now here I have done the parameterization, but now we have to give the data sources with a different set of data to this to the value a, b, and res. So for that we have to define this data row, and I will say that 1 and 1 I'll pass it on to the a and b, and the expected result I will say is 2. Similarly, the other set of data I will just copy paste and I'll try to create here, and I will change the value here 1 and 2, and I'll make this as a 4, and this one I'll make it as a 3, b value 3, and 6. Now if you see the different set of data, I am passing it through the data row attribute. So data row attribute means it will take the number of the argument that you have defined in this test method. It will come from this data row and it will going to pass to a, and from a it will come here. Now the if you rebuild the solution, then now you can see, although this is a single test case, now this test one will be split into three different test cases, and now you can see that test one and test one, although method name is same, but we have a different data source we defined as a data row. That means three different sets are going to execute it for this particular test scenario. Now we'll go ahead and run it, and it will pass the test case because we have given all correct data. 1 plus 1 it will 2, 2 plus 2 4, and 3 3 is 6. So all data it will pass from data row to this test method, and from this test method to inside this test method logic it will come over here. Now if you have such requirement where you want to run your logic with a different set of data, you can define those data row and you can define those arguments inside the test method, and you can do the parameterization. This we call it as a test driven, data driven testing as well. Thank you.